In this video, I will demonstrate the 3 required tasks and answer the 4 questions for this week Ubuntu projects. Here I'm logged in as an admin user. I will run sudo cat. That shadow which requires the root privileges. You can see it executed successfully. It proves the admin user has sudo privileges. Here is my welcome file. You can see it contains 2 lines. The first line I created in 6, and the quick broken fox jump over the lazy dog. The second line I created edited in manual, and the job required extra plug and zeal from every young wage earner. Here I'm running sudo ops update. You can see the output saying all packages are put to date. This confirms the server has been updated. I also ran sudo upgrade earlier and installed the app info and the info packages. So the question number 1, how do man and the info pages help Linux administrators? Man pages and the info pages are built in the documentation that explain what every command does, what options are available, and how to use them correctly. During this project, I used the info USAD to understand what the M switch does. It tells the user how to create the user home directory automatically. Without this built-in reference, pages administrators would have to search the internet for every command, which is much slower and less reliable. Then question number 2, what are the 2 models of the X editor and the 6 has 2 models, the 2 modes. The first is command mode, which is the default mode. When you open the 6, in the mode, keystrokes are interpreted as commands rather than text input. The second is insert mode, which you enter by pressing 1. In this mode, you can type and edit text normally. You switch back to the command mode by pressing the escape key. Then the number 3 question, do I prefer 6 or normal? I prefer normal because it is much more intuitive for beginners. The keyboard shortcuts are displayed at the bottom of the screen, so you never have to memorize commands, and you can start typing immediately without switching modes. And then 6 is more powerful once you learn it, but the learning curve is steep and easy to make mistakes in, especially when you are just starting out with Linux. Then 4, why are environment and the user variable important? The important variables store important configuration information that the operating system and the application use to function correctly. For example, the home variable tells the system where the home directory is. Shell tells it which shell you are using, and the lang controls languages and the character according to settings. User variables like PS1 let you customize your shell experience. In this project, I used the PS1 to change the color of the command prompt for both the root user and the admin user, making it easy to tell at a glance which user you are logged in as. Without these variables, every user session you behave identically, with no personalization or context. That covers all the 3 tasks and the 4 questions for this assignment. Thank you for watching.